Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shares Guitar. In today's video we'll be learning how to play Dunsin Oyekan's Hallelujah to God Most High. So this is actually for beginners. If you are a beginner and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, and catch you back. Alright, welcome back guys. So we need a few chords in this song. As I said, it's for beginners, so we are not going to use any strange chords, just the simple chords that we've learned from the beginners tutorial series. You need C. I'm actually playing in C, but in case you are not comfortable with C, you can use the capo, and the chords that are going to be on the screen will definitely be in terms of the capo, so you can play in that same shape. So we have C. Let's go to F. That's the number 4. Then let's go to G. Let's go to A minor. Start plucking from the 4th string. Pick strumming from the 4th string. Then I think that's all. Maybe at some point you can play some D minor, and at some point you can play some E minor. Yeah, we'll get there. So let's go straight to it. Hallelujah to God Most High. So these are just the background chords, so you can choose to fill in. But before we fill in, let's take note of the chords. So 1, then 4, then 5, Hallelujah, 6, that's A minor, to God, 4, then 5, then 1. So you can choose to play the 2, to God Most High, Hallelujah. I think playing the 6 here will sound okay. Yeah, then to God Most High. So anyway, that works for you. And let's go to the Most High. C, God of heavens. Then G, Most High, ruler of the earth. Most High, King of nations. Hallelujah. You can play 3 here. To God. Most High. So let's try from the top. Most High, God of heavens. Most High, ruler of the earth. Most High, King of nations. Hallelujah to God Most High. Yeah, so that's basically it. Leave in the comment section if you were able to get it, and how fast you're able to switch between the chords if you're a beginner. And also if you are interested in maybe a tutorial in other shapes as well, maybe in G. Hallelujah to God Most High, or in A. Hallelujah to God Most High. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Leave in the comment section if you're interested in a tutorial like that, then I'll take my time and do that. Thank you and see you next time. Most High God of heavens, Most High